The average of 5 consecutive numbers is 700. So at this point in time, I'm going to stop you. What is consecutive number? Consecutive number means they are ongoing. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, it's consecutive. It carries on non-stop. Okay? So they're saying that the average of 5 consecutive number is 700. Find the value of the smallest number. A lot of students do not know how to do this. So I'm going to teach you now. If you look at it, I'm going to draw a model for the smallest number. The smallest number is only this much, right? Okay? Now, how about the next number? If it's consecutive, right, the next number needs to be 1 bigger, which means the second number needs to be 1 bigger. Okay, now how about the third number? So the third number needs to be 1 bigger than the previous one, which is just 1. This is the previous one, right? Is 1 bigger, so another 1 over here. Okay, so on and so forth. So if it's 5 consecutive number, right, I have to draw 5 model. I mean, just to teach you all. This one will be the fourth one. So to draw the fourth one, I will draw the third one first, okay? And then I add on another one. To draw the fifth one, I will draw the fourth one first. Okay, and then I add on another one. These are the 5 consecutive numbers over here. And the total will be, they're saying, sorry, the average is 700. Average 700, can I find the total? So remember, always when you find the total first. So the total will be 700 multiplied by number of numbers. So it's 5, right? So this one will give me 3,500. Okay, so this entire thing is worth 3,500. They are looking for the value of the smallest number, which is this. So how do you do this? Take 3,500 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Minus all of this, then it becomes the same already, right? Then divide by 5. Okay? So take 3500 minus, how many sets of 1 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total is 10 sets of 1, which is just 10. Okay? And then this will give me 3,490. Now then I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So 3490 divided by 5, I use a calculator, 3490 divided by 5, that will give me 698, which means that this is 698. Okay, so 698, 699, 700, 701, 702. So the value of the smallest number will be 698. Okay, so remember, for parents who are watching this, right, remember, to teach them consecutive number, go and draw the model out for them. Okay, and this will be the easiest way for them to understand. And always remind them, once they see the statement, the average of what is what, right? Find the total straight away. If this is a problem sums, this will immediately give you 1 mark. Okay? Done.